Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up directory privacy in cPanel. Let's get started. So what is directory privacy? Now, directory privacy is a feature in the cPanel that you can use to add additional security to your website, protect critical information and files by restricting access to specific directory on your server. So to add domain privacy to a particular directory or folder, you go to the cPanel. Now from the cPanel, we'll scroll to the File Manager section. Now from here, click on File Manager. So from the File Manager, we have different directory or folders, and a folder can also be called a directory. We have different directory. I have my subdomain directory, my main primary domain directory. This is the directory I'll be adding a directory privacy to. So to add a directory privacy, you click on it, you right click. Here you click on Password Protect. Now from here you enable the password protect this directory. So you can also see the message here on how the directory privacy works. You can also enter the name of the protected directory. I'll leave this as a default setting, or you can change this to any name. So I'll click on save. So the saving has been set successfully. We'll go back. From here you create the user that will be able to access this protected directory. So I'll just use my default names here. Then you put a password, you confirm the password. Now when you're done filling the information for the user, you click on save. So with this, the domain privacy has been set up successfully. I'll click back. So I'll go to a new web browser, and when I type my primary domain name, now you will get this message here telling you to put in a particular username and the password. So to access this page, to access this directory, or to access this website, you have to put the username which you just created and also the password which you just created. So I'll go back to the cPanel, and from here I'm going to search for directory privacy, and you click on directory privacy. So from here we can see all the directory that has been secured. So I'll scroll up to the public_HTML directory. You can see the log sign here. So this shows that the directory is being protected. You can also edit this directory. So from here you can edit this, add a new user that will be able to access that particular directory. So I'll go back to my file manager. Now from this file manager, if I have a subdirectory inside of my main directory, so I'll click on public_HTML. Now from here, I have a subfolder here. Now this subfolder can also be called a directory. So with this, I can add a domain privacy to this folder here by following the same step. I'll click on this and click on right click, and you also click on password protect. From here, you follow the same step and protect this directory called build. Now this directory called build is directly under the public_HTML directory. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to leave them at the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.